Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the majestic city of Bangkok, Thailand. We're just one night here and the world will become your oyster. In this video, I'm gonna be taking you through the day in my life as a remote closer. We're going to the gym, doing some shisha, some cigars, hanging with the boys. Right now we're just tanning, chilling out. We have a few sales calls after this, but then yeah, I'll just take you guys through the day in my life to show you how it's done, what I do pretty much every day in Bangkok. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a good time. All right guys, we just got done with the 2 sales calls that we had today. I actually had to move this one up there. I had a coaching call for my mentorship group. We had a group call today. But now that we're done, got the commission collected, we're gonna head straight to the gym right now. So I'll see you guys when I head over there.
A place to be and even somewhere to start. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator.
Alright guys, we're at Elite Fight Club now. I've been here like maybe 4 or 5 times. Pretty solid gym. Here with Jan at the moment. Phil should be here. I mean, not Phil. Leo should be here. Phil and Jan is here at the same time. But yeah, Leo should be here in the next 10, 15 minutes. But right now we're just gonna, do a quick tour. Maybe get a little quick pump before Leo gets here. But yeah, Leo does like OFM. Jan's a closer as well. So we're all just making money, pumping out the gains. Jan, 1 out of 10. How easy is remote sales? Realistically, for the average human being on earth.
5, 4.
What's the hardest part?
Emotionality once you have it all, and you have to perform, and then you don't perform a couple days.
So like emotional stability.
Yeah, you're personal.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you, Jan. Enjoy your workout. Boom. Who is going to row the boats? Giannis. He's picking up his mom and his dad, lifting them over the cliff, saving their lives. What a family man, Jan. Boom. Jan, he basically sold a fucking car yesterday. What was it, 25K deal?
25K.
Through texting?
Paid through Discord texting.
Woof. Shit, bro. That's some people's fucking yearly wage, just paid in like...
I mean, that's a Thai person's yearly wage.
Yeah, exactly.
In 10 minutes.
Yeah, in 10 minutes.
And an American person's monthly wage in 10 minutes.
Yeah. I mean, monthly wage. Wait.
Huh?
Monthly wage.
Yeah, monthly.
25K?
No, the 3K commission.
Ah, yeah. I'm saying like the deal. He paid you like, he paid you 25K. So that's like half a year's worth of work for some people, just paid in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
The man, the myth, the legend, Leo. What's up, bro? Oh, my bad. Long time no see, bro.
Yeah, brother. Hey.
Jan just sold me on eating, how many eggs? 3 eggs.
Like a pineapple smoothie.
And a pineapple smoothie. I wasn't thinking about the pineapple smoothie, but then...
I had to solve the objection.
Yeah.
I had to overcome it.
It's solved. I'm committed.
Work out the worst possible scenario.
Yeah. I'm now committed to drinking this pineapple smoothie. How's the smoothie? What even is it? Protein mango?
It's protein, banana, mango.
Protein banana mango. Interesting.
Pretty good. Tastes pretty good.
I just got a pineapple smoothie, eggs and bacon on the way. Alright guys, we're at the ice bath now. This place is pretty sick.
Where's the ice, bro? I don't see the ice.
This is just a bath of cold water.
With these candles.
We have like the, what is this, the infrared sauna?
Yeah.
What are the benefits of like the infrared? Do you know? Activates stem cells.
I have no idea.
Jan is trying not to die over there. The ice bath will heal him. What is this? Ah, the cam girls come in the ice bath.
They're doing content.
What do we start with?
Sauna, bro.
All right, let's do it. We're going in the sauna, guys. All right, let's go, guys. We're going in. First time in the infrared sauna. Let's see how it is. All right, guys. Session 1 complete. The infrared sauna definitely burns your back. The sauna healed our souls, and now we're gonna go into the ice bath. Oof. How hot is it? Pretty hot?
Pretty hot. I'm sweating, bro.
It's like Switzerland.
Yeah.
How long do you guys want to go? I have a timer.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Who can stand the longest?
You want? Yeah.
Are you in, Jan?
You want?
I mean, it gets easy after the first minute.
Huh?
It gets easy after the first minute.
You want to smoke, Jan?
I mean, it sounds like he's talking trash. He said it gets easy.
You think because you come from Switzerland, which is a cold place, you can beat me?
I don't give a fuck about competition.
Oh, shit. He said he doesn't give a fuck about you. He said you lost already.
Seems like someone is scared here.
How are you feeling, Jan?
It's warm now.
It's warm? Leo? Pretty warm?
Yeah. Not bad.
Seems like pretty even competition right now. It's been 2 minutes or it's been 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Easy ass. Easy ass W, bro.
He used mind games.
How long is it? Like 4 minutes long?
It's been 4 minutes.
I'll do 5.
5 minutes? All right. 1 more minute to go. 3, 2, 1. 1 minute left. You guys, getting hot here.
Arms in. First minute. Just the first minute. How are you feeling, Mr. Little?
Feel pretty good. It's not too bad.
It's like 30 seconds more than it gets warm.
So, Jan, what do you think about Bangkok? If someone's watching right now, and they're like, this shit does not look fun, what would you tell them to sell them on coming out here?
Grow some balls and do it.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
Just tell yourself you're gonna do it, and have the balls to do it. That's it.
I mean, if you make 10k a month in Bangkok, you can live the same life as essentially making like 30, 50k in US.
Exactly. Balling out of control.
Wealth is not an amount, it's a ratio to how much you spend. Pretty much, yeah.
How long has it been?
Like close to 2 minutes.
2 minutes yet?
Yeah, 2 minutes ago. And he's out. How was it?
I cannot feel my hands or my toes. But now, this is the fun part. Alright guys, we just got done with the ice baths. Got back home. Did 2 more sales calls. Went 1 for 2 this time. 800 commission. Not too bad. So now we're heading out to the cigar place. It's called Whiskars. My friends are coming, so I'm gonna go hang out with them and have a good night. So I'll see you guys over there. Quick fit check, guys. We got the, I think it's called like Fred Perry shirt, the bag, shorts, and then some loafers. The American Drip. It's about a 20-minute ride, so I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? We're not supposed to record in here, but we're at the shisha place now. Here with Eric. Luke and Chris should be here soon, but we're eating up right now, and that's pretty much it.
Hard, man. That shit was hard. I have respect for you doing it as a civilian.
Isn't it so financial? They sell like financial services, like real estate.
They could have had like hundreds of properties. They could have been.
Alright guys, I have to pick up Kanya in about an hour, so we have an hour and 2 minutes to kill. No idea what we're doing now. Michael just go exploring around these Thai massage bars.
All right, brother. Take it easy. All right. Good to see you.
Nice to see you, bro.
Let's go.
Safe travels.
Peace.
Adios, Eric. All right, guys, you're about to see firsthand how these Thai girls act with my boy Chris and Luke. What will happen? Chris, how did it feel to be the most wanted man in Bangkok that last 2 minutes?
I mean, I just felt like they should have took me on a date first before they started molesting me, but that's all good.
So they're moving too fast, you would say?
Yeah, man, I'm not ready for that kind of action that fast. I like to take my time, do things right.
So marriage before massage.
Exactly.
Fair enough. Luke, did anything happen with you?
I got my balls grabbed twice, my tits grabbed 4 times,
Wow.
and yeah, I feel violated, man.
Violated.
Absolutely violated.
Where's 7? 7.
Why not? Why not? Why female? Why male?
I need 7.
What's wrong with us?
Oh, okay.
7 here. 7
crap,
here
crap.
inside. Like,
Thank you, Cap. We're supplying up with the Red Bulls. Cap. We're diving deeper into uncharted territories, exploring new parts of the undiscovered mountain. Imagine it was just an 8-foot hole. It's just gone.
That was fucking dying.
That was some doo-doo water right there, brother.
Chris versus Cowboy Street. Who will win? Cowboy Street 1, Chris 0. Luke is winning so far. Yeah. It's a mini potato, mini cock. Guys, we're gonna go get a refill. Nuts. Let's go with this one. Chris, I need a refill. Nuts. Nuts? Nuts? Okay. Nuts secured, guys. Side quest complete. Time to leave. Guys, we just walked through Cowboy Street. Very fun times. Very insightful. A lot of value to provide to you guys. As you guys can tell, we're at Hemisphere right now. What is it, the second Chinese New Year?
Yeah, I don't know. It's been going on for like a decade.
Yeah, bro.
Pandas everywhere.
Guys, in Thailand, they have like 3 different New Years. I think this is the best one. Look at this. Pandas everywhere. Lights everywhere. It's pretty sick. Going to Tribe real quick, guys. It's like the Sky Club in Hemisphere. We have like 20 minutes to spare. So